Hello everyone, welcome to today's Lunch and Learn session. We're going to be discussing a very important topic, skills trends in 2024, the skills that will be driving future opportunities in 2024. Yeah, I'm Lanre Adebanjo, and here with me is Vismaya. Let's talk about the skills, like what skills are important right now, what skills are trending, those necessary tech skills that are trending. I think the first thing I would say is AI. AI is everywhere right now. AI is, is doing so much. There's so much potential with AI and machine learning. Like we have video generation tools, we have even slide generation tools now. Companies like Tesla use AI to power their self-driving cars, and the system enables the user to do minimal work, and the car can navigate the road, make decisions for you using AI. So you see, there's a lot of possibilities. Machine learning is also very, very important today, because machine learning helps you understand the trends in human interactions, what people are doing, and in that way you can use machine learning to offer personalized recommendations to users on different platforms. For example, Netflix can offer you movie recommendations based on the movies you've liked, movies you've watched on the platform, stuff like that. Those things we might not really notice that these are actually things that are out there, but most times, machine learning is on the back end, so you won't really notice what's happening, but they're able to do all these things from the system and then offer you these tailored recommendations and stuff. Vismaya, do you want to?
I would like to talk about another topic, like cybersecurity and privacy. So, as digital transformation accelerates, cybersecurity threats continue to grow in complexity and frequency. So emerging are areas like IoT security, cloud security, and zero trust architectures are becoming essential nowadays. So the skills we need in that is like threat intelligence, analyze, and network and cloud security. So that is my second point.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, cloud security is very important. Helps people to secure their data. Like financial companies use this a lot to even secure people's finances, because there are a lot of scammers on the internet. There's cyber threats. Some people use stuff like phishing. Like there's some phishing scams where scammers can pose as legitimate platforms, so people can give them their data and they can use this data for malicious purposes. So stuff like that. Those are the things that cybersecurity can actually curb. And it's a very nice skill to have right now, because it's in demand. And if you want to learn cybersecurity, I think it's something that You can just go online. You can possibly take a course online, maybe Udemy, Coursera. You can check out other platforms too. And yeah, it's something that is actually in demand. So it's a very good skill to have right now. Yeah. Another skill I would be pointing out is cloud computing. Since we're talking about yeah, cybersecurity, it's sort of intertwined in some way. So cloud computing enables businesses of various sizes to provide scalability and flexibility. And an example of a company that offers cloud services is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is one of the leading cloud service providers, and they offer a wide range of um, cloud services from storage to databases and stuff like that for different businesses. Various organizations use AWS, Azure, Microsoft Azure is also another cloud service provider. That's cool. Yeah. And if you want to get into cloud computing, I think you need to possibly go to Amazon Web Services. They have some courses, some certifications that you can take. After you've gotten certified, then you should be a good professional in that field. You should be able to get opportunities. You should be able to further your career in that area. Yeah.
Yeah, and my next topic is like 5G and edge computing. So the 5G network is enabling like faster, more reliable internet connections, leading to innovations in IoT. Smart cities are like we use for vehicles or the real-time data processing. So the and edge computing is reducing latency by processing data closer to its source. So the key skills for it, like network architecture, is the understanding of 5G infrastructure and network design. So that's my second
Okay.
point topic.
Yeah. Um, I can mention another skill based on what you just mentioned. I think you mentioned IoT as
Yeah.
Internet of Things. Yeah. So basically, IoT entails connecting various devices to the internet. Today we have smart homes where you can control the lighting, the temperature, or even security. You can close doors just with remote controls now. In smart homes, you have those kind of things. That's what we call Internet of Things, where you can connect various devices that you see every day to the internet, and it can perform some functions for you. This is also a skill that is becoming in demand these days. IoT development, that's Internet of Things, like people that make stuff like these smart home devices, also industrial devices that are also connected to the internet and stuff like that. Yeah, it's actually very in demand right now. And if you want to learn, I think IoT, you can also learn IoT from AWS. You can learn from Azure too, because they have some Internet of Things certifications that you can take. Yeah.
Okay. So next, would like to talk about human-centric AI and design thinking. So, as AI becomes more prevalent, there is a growing emphasis on human-centric AI, which focuses on creating AI system that prioritize human needs, ethical considerations, and user experience. So this is closely tied to practice for design thinking. So which encourages development and user feedback, the ability to work across team that includes AI developers, UX or UI designers, psychologists. That's my another topic.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So another thing I can mention is another skill that's also trendy these days is AR and VR development. We have augmented reality and virtual reality development. So this skill is very important these days because it's helping people to visualize things better. Is revolutionizing healthcare, education, the gaming industry, entertainment, even movies. You might have seen these VR headsets where like people just plug some stuff. They're right in the room with you, but they are not really in the room with you. They are somewhere else, like in the metaverse, possibly playing a game or having some experience that is just so nice, so immersive. Yeah. So this technology, AR, VR is actually helpful in e-commerce too, because for example, you want to buy a piece of furniture for your home, and like you want to see the dimensions, you want to see where it would fit in your home. You can actually like go to augmented reality platform that has this service, and then say you want to buy that furniture, you can actually just use your phone to visualize how that furniture would fit into your space before you purchase it. So this helps people to be able to see stuff before they buy it. Also, even clothing items, like some time ago, I think it was like 2 weeks or let's say a month ago, I saw a platform where, if you want to buy a wristwatch, for example, yeah, you can actually look at how the wristwatch fits on your wrist before you buy it. You just have to use your phone and position it in a way that, it fits on your wrist. So you can see it. Oh, wow, this looks good on me before I actually get it. So it's like a try it on technology. So you can actually try things before you buy them. And that's actually a very, very nice skill to have these days. If you want to learn AR, VR, you'd have to possibly take a course on 3D modeling and animation. You can also learn online. You can go to Udemy, you can go to Coursera. There's some courses that you can actually learn from. And also, you can use tools. You can learn how to use tools like Unity, on Unreal Engine, Unreal Engine and stuff like that.
Okay, so another one I would like to share is sustainable and green technologies. So the push of sustainability is driving innovation in green tech, such as renewable energy, carbon capture, sustainable agriculture, and smart cities. So companies are increasingly focusing on reducing their carbon footprint and enhancing sustainability through technology, like the understanding of renewable energy technologies like solar, wind, and battery storage, like the like skills in designing IoT solution to optimize energy usage and monitor environmental conditions.
Yeah, green energy is cool, and it's actually one of the fields that is gaining a lot of traction recently. Yeah, because there are a lot of ways that humans actually do stuff that hurts the I don't know if that's the right word to use, but it depletes the ozone layer above, and all the other effects. It also has other effects, and these effects are trying to, like, people are trying to curb these effects, like the depletion of the ozone layer and all those things. So people are going green. You might have heard green energy a couple of times. Yeah, people are trying to do things in a safer way for the ozone layer, for our surroundings, basically, because at the end of the day, it's going to have an impact on us if we don't take care of our surroundings. So companies are going green. People are looking for ways by which they can adopt this technology. So yeah, that's a very nice one. So we'll be going on a commercial break right now. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Join Momentum, where we're not just a company, but a community of digital innovators. At Join Momentum, our mission is simple yet powerful: to accelerate digital talents and business productivity through practical work experiences, trainee internships, and talent placement. We believe in the transformative power of hands-on experience and mentorship, so all our associates learn by doing, not just theories. Through these efforts, we build innovative products and solutions that address user needs and create value for our candidates, clients, and stakeholders. You can partner with us in our mission to accelerate digital talents and increase business productivity by working with us, hiring our talents, or investing in us. This is Join Momentum.
Join Momentum Learning and Development Squad have rolled out practical work experience simulation programs and scenario-based learning on a new platform called the Growth Academy.
At the Growth Academy, you will engage in real-world simulations and complete scenario-based tasks at your own pace, which are all inspired by global brands.
With consistent practice and support, our participants gain invaluable experiences across multiple disciplines such as product management, data science, project planning, business analysis, virtual assistant, business development, technical sales, cybersecurity, and many more.
The Growth Academy programs come with AI-powered evaluations. You will receive detailed feedback assessment directly to your inbox, guiding your skill development and areas of improvement. You can also showcase your new skills expertise by ordering digital certificates, which are perfect for demonstrating your competency to employers or clients.
You will also become part of a dynamic community of professionals, sharing knowledge and supporting each other on the path to success. And we empower you to step up as a leader, coach, by reselling any of our programs as your own and earn instant income while helping others grow in their careers.
Start your journey today at www.thegrowthacademy.co.uk.
Welcome back. Yeah, we're still discussing tech trends in 2024. What skills will drive future opportunities in this space? So we've mentioned a couple of skills and different tech fields that you can actually dabble into to become a professional in demand in 2024. Another field I would like to mention is blockchain development. Blockchain development is something that is becoming very, very rampant. People are starting to accept it more. People are starting to use it in their day-to-day businesses and also their day-to-day transactions. Yeah, because blockchain technology is actually revolutionizing the finance space and also supply chain management worldwide. So we have stuff like, we have cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum. People are now trading these cryptocurrencies easily. We have platforms that aid you to easily move money from normal fiat currencies to crypto and even back to fiat currencies. And then, yeah, you have a whole space for you to trade. The cryptocurrency space is really large and is distributed. So everyone can trade their Bitcoin, their Ethereum, their Solana, all other coins that they want to trade. And it's pretty easy to set up. I think you just need to understand the trends and everything. Yeah, you should be able to get on it. And we also have stuff like NFTs. We have supply chain transparency. Supply chain transparency is used to track products and ensure transparency in supply chains. This is used in various businesses. And if you want to learn blockchain development right now, you would have to learn how to write smart contracts. You can learn Solidity. That's programming language that helps you build on the blockchain. You can also gain knowledge of cryptographic concepts and blockchain algorithms. Yeah, once you can do this, you'd actually become a professional in demand in this space. You'd be able to work in various blockchain companies. Yeah.
So, I would like to talk about digital transformation and automation. So, businesses are continuing to embrace digital transformation, automating repetitive tasks with robotic process automation, RPA. So, improving efficiency through digital tools and leveraging big data for decision making. So, the key skills for the automation tools are proficiency in RPA tools like UI Path or Blue Prism, and the change management, like understanding of managing digital change within the organizations. So yeah, that's all I'm talked about the digital transformation and automation.
Yeah, automation is actually very big these days. Everyone is trying to do things easily with systems. Like instead of humans always going through that day-to-day activity of always trying to do it by yourself, you can actually set up systems that can do it for you for a long period of time. So it reduces the amount of workload that humans have. So we put it on machines, we put it on systems. So they do the work for us, and then we as humans learn how to interact with these systems and incorporate these systems into our workflow to actually achieve better results, achieve better efficiency and output. Yeah. So last skill I'll be talking about is the quantum computing. Quantum computing is actually very much in demand right now because it's helping companies, it's helping businesses to solve complex problems that usually would not be able to, like, you will not be able to solve these problems if you were using classic computers, like the normal computers that we have. Yeah, we have special computers for quantum computing because, like, quantum computing is handling the more complex stuff. And for example, we have stuff like drug discovery. Quantum computing uses simulations. For example, for in drug discovery, yeah, quantum computing uses simulations of molecular interactions to be able to predict and detect trends and patterns, which can then help us to get possibly the cures for different diseases. We just had the pandemic in 2020. They probably use some techniques to be able to get the cure, the vaccine that we were able to use. So stuff like that. This is how quantum computing comes into play. You can actually simulate these molecular interactions. You can discover stuff using the quantum mechanisms and quantum technology. Yeah. So if you want to learn quantum computing, you'd have to possibly learn quantum mechanics, quantum algorithms. You'd also learn the programming languages and frameworks of quantum computing. You can go online, you can search stuff. You definitely find a lot of stuff on quantum computing because it's becoming in demand. Yeah. So basically, these have been it's been a nice time sharing a lot of points with you. These necessary skills that we need to stay in the forefront of the trends. You have to keep on being that individual that just keeps moving with the trends. You keep learning new stuff. You keep growing. You keep developing yourself constantly. Yeah. So if you want to do that, you have to pick up these trends. Not all. You have to pick what's in tandem to your field, and learn how to be able to adapt to these trends, incorporate these trends into your workflow, and you'll be able to achieve better results when you do that. Any last words, Vismaya?
This is all I want to tell about these. Staying up to date with these trends and acquiring relevant skills will be essential for thriving in an increasingly driven world. So that's all I want to tell about. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So basically, if you want to learn any skill you're interested in, the internet is your best friend. You just need to Google the skill. I'm so sure you'll be able to find helpful resources, materials that you can use. You can also try to join communities where they are speaking about these topics. You gain a lot of insights from like-minded professionals in the field. You can network with professionals too, people that can actually give you this knowledge, that like these things that we're talking about, you can actually learn them from people too, because people are doing these things, and it's just easier when you speak to someone than going to look for all the information yourself and everything. So would encourage you to keep up with the trends. You need to strive for constant development in your career, and just keep going basically. So we've come to the end of our Lunch and Learn session for today. Thank you so much for listening. It was a pleasure speaking and sharing insights with you. I remain Lanre Adebanjo, and with me is Vismaya.
Yeah, thank you so much for listening to the podcast. Thank you.
Yeah, do have a nice day. Bye, everyone.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Next episode on Join Momentum Launch and Learn podcast.
Welcome to Join Momentum, where we're not just a company, but a community of digital innovators. At Join Momentum, our mission is simple yet powerful: to accelerate digital talents and business productivity through practical work experiences, trainee internships, and talent placement. We believe in the transformative power of hands-on experience and mentorship, so all our associates learn by doing, not just theories. Through these efforts, we build innovative products and solutions that address user needs and create value for our candidates, clients, and stakeholders. You can partner with us in our mission to accelerate digital talents and increase business productivity by working with us, hiring our talents, or investing in us. This is Join Momentum.
Join Momentum Learning and Development Squad have rolled out practical work experience simulation programs and scenario-based learning on a new platform called the Growth Academy.
At the Growth Academy, you will engage in real-world simulations and complete scenario-based tasks at your own pace, which are all inspired by global brands.
With consistent practice and support, our participants gain invaluable experiences across multiple disciplines such as product management, data science, project planning, business analysis, virtual assistant, business development, technical sales, cybersecurity, and many more.
The Growth Academy programs come with AI-powered evaluations. You will receive detailed feedback assessment directly to your inbox, guiding your skill development and areas of improvement. You can also showcase your new skills expertise by ordering digital certificates, which are perfect for demonstrating your competency to employers or clients.
You will also become part of a dynamic community of professionals, sharing knowledge and supporting each other on the path to success. And we empower you to step up as a leader, coach, by reselling any of our programs as your own and earn instant income while helping others grow in their careers.
Start your journey today at www.thegrowthacademy.co.uk.